It's April 26, 2024, 6:30 a.m. and it's the second to the last day of our work immersion. Wang! Kunwari, kakagising ko lang pero ang totoo, kanina pa talaga ako nagising at nakapag-isip na mag-vlog na lang. Bye! Pak, nag-belt na si ante at kakatapos niya lang maligo. Wash muna ng hair, kunwari. Sa mga oras na to, na-realize ko na malilate talaga kami kasi wala pa yung mga kasama ko at kumakain pa lang ako. Yes, instant time-lapse para kunwari. Pack transition. Hindi ako papayag lalabas ng bahay at pumunta sa workplace nang hindi nakakapag-get ready with me. Araw-araw na yan, guys. Real. Yeah.
Hi guys! Hi! Ito, ayan na naman si Ivan. Yes po, bigla po kayo. Guys, so we finally arrived sa airport.
Nang makarating kami sa airport, we need to make sure na dala-dala namin yung airport pass kasi hindi naman pwede lahat papasok na lang ng basta-basta, not unless you're a passenger. And since mga trainees kami, we need to show that. Hi!
Hi guys, time check. Wait, ako. Time check. Ay, hala, mali. Ito po, time check po.
To give a short description about what we are doing in this clip, we work here as a sales associate. Ibig sabihin, we were tasked to greet the customers, tulungan sila kung ano ba ang mga magagandang produkto na pwede nilang bilhin.
So guys, it's not so busy today. Board ng mga passengers. Is it right? Board? Yes, board.
Kapag oras na ng boarding ng mga pasahero, ganito na lang talaga yung makikita mo mula sa shop. Empty seats at pwede na kaming mag-chill hanggang sa dadating na naman yung mga panibagong pasahero. Here's a snippet of Ivan and Miel entertaining a customer sa ilang araw naming pagtatrabaho bilang lang atang mga attempt kong mag-entertain because I am a socially awkward person. Char.
Hi! Pag-hi ba?
Time out na yan sila.
As you can see guys, it's finally, what time na ba? Time check. It's 4:43. Yes. Since tapos na yung last flight, we are finally going home. Yeah. So how would you rate this day?
Actually, it's really fun because we didn't wear our uniforms, so probably it will be 8.9. 8.9, I guess.
Yeah, dan yung ano yun yung... Actually, dapat nag-uniform talaga kami, guys. But it's Friday, so yeah.
Time check, it's 4:44 p.m. and we're finally done. Actually, nakadepende kasi sa last flight ang timeout namin. May mga araw na 3:00 pa lang, alis na kami, and ang pinakamatagal naman ay 5 p.m. Sa mga ganitong oras mo rin talaga makakita yung magandang view dito sa airport, lalo na kapag sunset lover ka. May mga oras din na nakikita namin mismo yung pag-take off ng mga eroplano, and it's very mesmerizing to watch.
Hi guys, it's finally uwian.
Ay! Kabidyo na ka?
Wala.
That's cute. Go.
Hi guys, so naabot na daimi guys. So pag abot na mo, dang kick
Naanak kami.
We are in General Santos City Airport. Airport pass check. So we finally arrived guys sa check-in area.
Paano? Paano?
Hi guys, so we arrived at the shop.
Yeah.
So we met a TikTok content creator. Ayan siya guys.
Siguro siya kilala. This is tuna fish. Different faces. Different faces. Tuna fish.
What's your favorite face?
Face 2.